Only very few cars have shaped the automotive industry like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Drawing on 140 years of relentless innovation, it remains the benchmark for safety, comfort, and engineering excellence. It's an icon that has carried icons, leaders, artists, innovators, and more. A true sanctuary for legends. What Carl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler began was more than revolutionary mobility technology. It was a promise, and today, the new S-Class is proof of that.
They call it a facelift, but let's be honest, they are lying. Usually, a mid-cycle refresh is just new bumpers and different wheels. But reports confirm that the upcoming Mercedes S-Class is practically a brand new car. CEO Ola Källenius admits they spent billions to reinvent the wheel. The W223 generation isn't just getting an update, it's getting a rebirth. Here is the reality. 50% of the car's components have been replaced. That's 2,700 new parts. This is an engineering overhaul. Inside it is getting a total brain transplant with the new proprietary MB.OS and the massive wall-to-wall Superscreen. And under the hood, the V8 is not dead. It's been re-engineered with Formula One-style tech to survive the future. So, when do we see the king? The wait is practically over. To celebrate 140 years of Mercedes-Benz history, the luxury sedan debuts on January 29th. This isn't just a car launch. It is an anniversary statement that the S-Class remains the benchmark for the world. We will have the full reveal right here. Subscribe now. The king returns in just a few days.